There's all these little Bibles and all these big Bibles and all these devotional books and journals for your spiritual growth and your path with the Lord. Good morning, Lord. Growing in grace. This place holds a lot of memories for me, going all the way back to my childhood as a kid in Arkansas growing up in the 1960s. The New Marked Reference Bible by L. Rod Jackson. The New Marked Reference Bible 3 by L. Rod Jackson Sr. During the Vietnam War, Civil Rights Movement. Of course, I didn't know too much about all that stuff, or rather I knew about it, but with my child's mind, a child's understanding, seeing this place develop and change over the years. The New Marked Reference Gideon Bible by J. Ron Gideon the 12th. Trees planted by my parents. Trees grow to be giants in the sky, then cut down. Everything constantly changing, taking on different shape. A lot of natural evolution. A Little Prayer Book by Jehoshaphat Turner. The Soldier's Bible.
It says reset.
Okay. Okay, I pressed it one time.
Okay.
Looks like it works.
Everything like it is.
Really grateful for all those memories, all of those times, how formative they were in my own evolution as a person. I didn't know it, but there was a wasp nest there in the bushes. I got stung by a wasp, so now I have the wasp medicine to work with. It really hurt. Connection to nature, community, creativity. So many of the ideas that I hold today, the values, were formed in those times here, right here on this land. And also hard times, tough memories, conflict, love, growth, distance, reconciliation, all the things that make us human. And for that, I really just have gratitude. The New Testament by L. Ron Gideon the 28th and J. Jehoshaphat Shimmy Kababoo by St. Matthew the 23rd, Rainbow of Hope Cathedral, Greenwood, Arkansas, past the holler, down the way. Not by bread alone, doth thou live but by the morning prayer. God is everywhere. You see his face in a woodland flower. Flowers for you. Mama.